Espresso is a coffee brewing method of Italian origin, in which a small amount of nearly boiling water is forced under pressure through finely ground coffee beans. Espresso coffee can be made with a wide variety of coffee beans and roast degrees. This is ours. Caffe Latte is a coffee drink made with espresso and steamed milk. The term comes from the Italian Caffe Latte, which means coffee and milk. A latte is made with bold espresso, while a cafe au lait uses strong coffee. Lattes have more milk and a little bit of foam that may be made with a wide range of flavors. Cafe au laits are typically served straight, though the American version adds chicory. Caffe Mocha, also called Mocaccino, is a chocolate-flavored variant of the Caffe Latte. The name is derived from the city of Mocha, Yemen, which was once the center of early coffee trade. Chai latte, or masala tea, is a tea beverage made by boiling black tea in milk and water with a mixture of aromatic herbs and spices. Originating in India or Thailand, the beverage has gained worldwide popularity, becoming a feature in many coffee and tea houses. A hot drink similar to the cafe latte, made with spiced black tea and steamed milk. An affogato, or more traditionally known as an affogato al caffè, is an Italian coffee-based dessert. It usually takes the form of a scoop of fior di latte, or vanilla gelato, or ice cream, drowned in a shot of hot espresso, while some variations might also include a shot of amaretto, Kahlua, or other liqueur. Iced coffee is a coffee beverage served cold. It may be prepared either by brewing coffee in a normal way and then serving it over ice or in cold milk, or by brewing the coffee cold. In hot brewing, sweeteners and flavoring may be added before cooling, as they dissolve faster. Caffe Americano is a type of coffee drink prepared by diluting an espresso with hot water, giving it a similar strength but different flavor from traditionally brewed coffee. A cappuccino is an espresso-based coffee drink that is simply prepared with steamed milk foam and espresso. Variations of the drink involve the use of cream instead of milk, using non-dairy milk substitutes, and flavoring with cinnamon or chocolate powder. flat white is a coffee drink consisting of espresso with microfoam. It is comparable to a latte but smaller in volume with less foam. Vietnamese coffee, also known as Caffe Latte, is a traditional Vietnamese coffee recipe. It is made using medium to coarse ground dark roast Vietnamese grown coffee with a small metal Vietnamese drip filter. This is our version.